Hello, right, we are with a Hoover, and it is actually a Hoover. It's not a Dyson, it's a Hoover. It's a Hoover Vacuum. And today we're going to work on this. Cable's getting a little bit naughty. Okay, so best thing to do is strip down everything off as best as possible. So release the wand out of there. I've already detached the hose. Release the cylinder that captures all the dirt, and then release the head off there. So press the button in on the side and lift the head off. So now you just got the unit. Now I would not recommend removing these screws or these screws. It might be, logical. You think, oh, undo these screws and it will lift this unit off. What it does is it lifts it off a certain way, and this cable ultimately continues round through the switch and down through there. And then when you try and slide this back down onto the aluminium shaft there, the cable in there puckers up and you can't push this all the way down. So you end up having to dismantle. Likewise with this one. The cable puckers up at the bottom, so we don't need to do anything with these in order to get to this wire here. Ultimately, if you needed to get to the motor, and all that's inside here is a motor, that's all there is. Filter in the bottom of there, and then a motor. But at this time, we don't need to get in there. So, we've got to this stage, turn the unit over, there's a screw in there, and there's a screw in there. They come out. Already popped them out, look, two little screws there, and then you just have to unclip the top. So it's just a case of getting your fingernails into the shut line and just prising it up. And there's a series of tabs that just come unclipped like that. And now look, we're inside the unit. There's the back of the switch. You see off of the switch the cord goes down there, down the shaft, down to the motor. The incoming power supply comes in here, through there, round this little securing post, and then off to the switch. Really quite basic. So all we've got to do is undo this little clasp here to release the cable, and then we should be able to get to that to fix it. There you go, there's the cable strap removed, and then we can lift the cable off from around that post. We can now do whatever we need to do to that cable. Right, so I had the situation where the blue had some slack sticking out the side, a big loop coming out there. So I've managed to pull the blue cable through to make sure that there's no bulging. I'm now going to wrap some tape around there and then feed that back through the grommet so the damaged bit is on the inside. There we go, I've got some tape around there that keeps the outer sheath all stuck down and won't catch on the grommet as I pull it through. Just to reassure you, in this case the inner wires, the protective shrouds on them were not damaged at all, so there weren't any exposed wires. If there were, I'd be cutting this off and making a new join there. But as it is, that's all good, and I hope to get that inside there. Right, so there you go, we've got nice neat cable all intact on that side. The bit that we've repaired is now on the inside, so that it can't pull back through. I'm going to put this cable tie around the cable down there. And now I'll just pull it tight and snip the excess off. There we go, so as it was, there was plenty of space down there for me to push the repaired bit of wire down there, and then the original bit of cabling that curved around this post has gone straight back where it needed to be, and we can now put the cable gripper back over. There you go, cable gripper back on, live and negative cable fed back through the positionings there. And then we can just put this top fascia plate back on. Hear it all click into place. And then we'll just put the two screws back on the underside. So there we go, all back together. As you can see, the cable is nice and safe again. Let's give it a quick test. yeah, all working. So there you go, there's a nice quick win on a Hoover. As ever, thanks for watching. Please thumbs up, like and subscribe if you haven't already. Check out some of my other videos and I shall see you again very soon. Cheers, bye bye.